guys. I just want to talk more about questions a lot of people always ask me. How I do dropshipping.
Hey guys, before I even carry on with this video, please just like and subscribe to my channel. Really helps me with algorithm.
And where I do dropshipping. Personally, I only do dropshipping like overseas, in overseas countries like the United States, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. And I also do it to some other countries, but those are my four main countries I do it. Yeah, so it's very hands-free. As soon as you set up your store and everything, it's very hands-free, and trust me, you love the process. Okay, but actually something I wanted to talk about is that before you even think of doing dropshipping, I think you should be passionate about it. That's the number one thing that I'm on about. You should be passionate about it, and you should expect to fail a couple of times and be able to rise above those odds. Because you're gonna feel like, nah, fuck it, this is not for me and stuff like that. But you just have to keep pushing and overcome those obstacles, I would say. Um, yeah, I mean, even myself, I've been through a lot of times I was like, fuck it, I just wanna close the store and stop my ads and stuff, or something like that. But as time went by, I just saw that, you know, you should actually just persist, and you should you shouldn't shut your ads down, guys. Like, you shouldn't shut your ads down, because usually the what happens that, okay, another question I always get is like, how does it work? Okay, basically it's like you just resell winning products from AliExpress, products that solve problems in people's lives and that have good quality for you to sell. And then so you just create your online store, and then you connect AliExpress, and then whenever a customer orders on your site, immediately that order gets forwarded to the AliExpress supplier, or a private supplier if you have a private supplier, and then they ship it directly to your customer. So that's drop shipping, guys. It's when you don't have any inventory upfront, and you are selling products like that. So yeah, that's just something that I'm also on about. Okay, something I've also noticed that people tend to complicate the process. You should have your own formula set up from the beginning to the end, um, because that's how I do it. I know immediately when I start with the store. I set up the layouts. From there, I take it to finding my product and creating a page, etc. I have my own formula laid out like that, so that I don't do things like in a messed up way, and then I end up getting confused and stuff like that. So I actually have a formula, and that's why I want you guys to actually check out my videos and just check out what I have to offer. Okay, another question people always ask me is that, how do you actually make money from dropshipping? Especially with Facebook ads. Let's talk about Facebook ads. Okay, Facebook ads work like this. Let's say you're selling a product for $30, right? And you're getting the product for $5. So meaning that you are making a $25 profit. Let's say that $5 includes shipping, but I'm just making an example, guys. So meaning you are making $25 per purchase. And then let's say you're testing ads on Facebook, right? Testing ads on Facebook, using paid ads. You're gonna using paid ads, meaning that let's just make an example. Let's say maybe you, per $8 that you spend, you get a purchase, meaning 25 from the $25 profit that you're making minus $8. How much is that? I think that's about $17 something. So that $17 is profit. So you're gonna the winning ad sets that you have, you're gonna keep pouring money into those ads and multiplying. The more times you're multiplying those ad sets, that's how you actually end up doing the big numbers. Okay, one more thing. In my opinion, I only do dropshipping in overseas countries because of statistics. Statistic wise, I've checked that beginning of this year I checked it was 4% here in South Africa. South Africa, people that actually purchase online, um, the national rate was 4%. So 4% is very low to me, compared to statistics. I've been asking people around me that I know who buys on websites. I haven't heard anyone. They're busy telling me it's scams and stuff like that. That's why they avoid buying on websites. So that's why I don't even bother dropshipping in South Africa. Another thing is, yeah, I just love making dollars, guys. Like it's just more convenient for me. When you just do those withdrawals and then the money comes like 17 times more, you know. So yeah, that's just one of my main reasons why I do drop shipping in other countries. And um I don't have like I'm not limited to selling just a few stuff, because in South Africa there's not like a lot of suppliers and a lot of things that you can sell. It's just complicated, guys. So in these other countries, everything's already set up, it's already developed. You just have to connect the dots and just make money like that. So yeah. Okay, another thing is, guys, please just let me know like what kind of videos you want me to do about dropshipping. um what topics should I talk about, and then I'll just make videos from the things that you requested. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, and yeah, enjoy your day. Another thing I just wanted to say is that everything that I teach, it's based on things that I've been through and what works for me. So please just note that, and that everything that I do is actually legit. I'm not just someone that's trying to, um, just trying to make money or something like that. I don't really care about that. I want to help people, because this is actually a legitimate business and I'm very passionate about this shit. So yeah, please just always know that